All right, you bought this product. You were unfortunately lucky and you don't know how to set it up. So here I'm going to show you how you can set it up, because I was struggling a little bit. I had to read the manual a little bit, and this product is very bad. So I bought this, but I replaced it with this one that is much better. You can buy whatever you want, it doesn't matter to me. So I'm going to tell you step by step how you can do this. So basically, in order to get in the configuration, so the IP is 192.168.1.168. Again, is 192.168.1.168. So you have to use the dots, of course. 192.168.1.168. All right. So when you do that, you are going to be able to get in. But before doing that, you will have to go to configuration. So if you have a Windows, Mac, Linux, it's basically all the same. So you have to go here where it says network. Here on the network, you go here, and then instead of using DHCP, you will have to use a manual IP. In this case, you will have to set it up manually, and then here where it says IP, here where it says IP, you have to type something along those lines, 192.168.1.11, for instance, or 12, whatever, except the number that I just mentioned before. Once you do that, click OK, accept, and that's it. So in this case, once you do that, you will have to type this IP that you see here. Once you're inside, you're going to type admin, and you have to go to networks, as you can see here on network, and then you will have to change this from disable to enable. So you enable the DHCP, so that way you don't have to struggle, using a different IP than your network. Your network, at least in my case, is 10.0.0.x. So do that, and it will be easier, and you can set it up with your router. Basically, once you do that, you're going to be inside of the device. You will have to go here where it says mainstream. As you can see, mainstream, you go there, and then this is not intuitive like any other product. For instance, I used to use this product, the Video Pro, but this one, it seems like more primitive. So again, I don't care whatever you buy, but if you are struggling with this, I would recommend you to just return it. So basically, here where it says RTMP, so this is the protocol, that is what you're going to use. So basically here you're going to use the URL that is provided by YouTube. So if you don't know that, I'll show you here, so the way you can see. So when you go to the stream, you're going to have this configuration. So basically, you're going to type this RTMP a://a.rtmp.youtube, etc. So you type all that, and then after you type all this, you're going to type slash, and then the stream key that you see in your area. This is just example, of course. You have to type it all in one place. So this is crazy. This should not be like that. It's not intuitive, and you have to type everything here. Once you do that, you click apply, you reboot the device, and hopefully you will be able to, you should be able to stream. So you should go here to status, and then you should be able to see that it's connected or not, or whatever. So as you can see, it's very primitive. I couldn't find a button to turn on and off the stream. For instance, here I'm using Zoe Tech. So if you go here, for instance, in a regular device, and the other one, the TeraDeck that I just showed you before, is kind of the same. Basically, you go here, for instance, you turn on the switch here, the toggle switch, and then I can stream on this channel. If I want to stream with two channels at the same time, I can do this. I couldn't find this option here, so that is why I'm going to return this product. And if you bought it, okay, bad luck, get something else. It will work better. With this one, you can have multiple profiles for different channels if you have here. And in this case, if you're using the other one, in this one, I assume that you can use maybe the substream, as a secondary profile. As you can see, maybe you can enable it from here and disable it from here. Maybe you can do that the same thing with this. Again, not very intuitive. If you want to do this, you can enable the channel from here. You can disable the channel from here. Apply, go again. I mean, you have to pull, you have to push multiple buttons. Also, I try to contact the people from WhatsApp. They have a WhatsApp, but their WhatsApp is kind of useless. I'm trying to look for the. I just found it, so I'm going to show you now my conversation with them, so that way you see there is no tech support, no nothing. So if you're having some issue with anything else, you're on your own basically. So now let me show you. All right. So as you can see, I am on WhatsApp. I told them, hey, I found this is your information, URay technology, so that way they know, I'm not just a random guy. Are you able to provide me support? And he, she, whatever, them, say, hi, my friend, may I ask you, what can I help you? That's it. It says, where is the stop and start streaming? Are you going to answer? No answer. So sucks completely. So as you can see, they're not responsive at all. So that is the problem that you're going to have. Again, you can enable, disable, apply, reboot the product and see if it works or not. I was having those issues. So hopefully this video was useful. As usual, I am in US. If you need electronics parts or anything like that, just let me know in the section below. Call me, email me, whatever works for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.